Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send a message to yourself on Telegram using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Telegram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the search icon at the top. Now type Save Message. Tap on Save Message from the result. This is a private chat with yourself on Telegram. Now type any message, note, or link and then tap send, and that's it. You have successfully sent a message to yourself. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.